Welcome to today's session on new possibilities due to internet. This is part of web-based technologies and multimedia applications course of Certificate in Information Technology. When I am speaking about the new possibilities, basically I am speaking about the advantages of internet. Of course, all of you know the advantages of internet, but at the same time, internet being a notion, internet being used by everybody the way they want it to use, there are several things which we do not know that internet can also be used for those particular purposes. For example, if I am a teacher, I will know how I can harness the power of internet for teaching purposes. But I may not be knowing the power of internet in some other area such as research, performing experiments online, or looking for something in an efficient manner. So there are millions of possibilities that are possible with internet. What we will be doing in today's session is that we will be looking into a few possibilities and we will be continuing in our next session also with some more possibilities. It doesn't mean that there are no more possibilities. There are a lot of possibilities and these are unlimited. We are introducing you only to some possibilities in today's discussion. So the objective is to know the new opportunities that have been created by internet. Internet has revolutionized communications to the extent that it is now our preferred medium of everyday communication. In almost everything we do, we use internet. In fact, there is no need for me to say that we are ready to live without a particular thing such as even electricity, but not without internet. If you have internet access and if there is no electricity, but still you can spend time doing some productive work. But if you have electricity and even if you have all the amenities, but you do not have access to internet, then you remain non-productive. So now internet is something which is very, very important, and after you have internet, bandwidth is the second thing which is very, very important. But then if you forget about the high speed bandwidth, at least if you have some bandwidth, definitely you will be productive to the extent that is possible. Ordering a pizza, buying a television, sharing a moment with a friend, sending a picture over instant messaging. Now all these become just a second work that earlier which used to take at least some hours, some days. Consider ordering a pizza. Suppose you want to order pizza prior to internet era. There is no way that you can actually request for a delivery unless you make a telephone call and if they provide that facility. But now due to internet, you can see the images on the screen, you can select the toppings, you can select the size, you can look at the price, and until you pay, you have independence to edit your order. On phone, you can't see the things. I am not speaking about mobile phone, I am speaking about the normal telephone in the pre-internet era. So internet made placing orders very easy. Of course, the example is for a pizza, but it applies for everything. Now coming to the shopping issues such as television. Yes, now there is no need for you to go to a particular shop, bargain, look at the TV, all those things. Everything is available online. And in fact, one advantage is that when you are using internet to buy a television or any other goods, you can even compare. There is no need for you to bargain with a particular vendor because bargaining may not be possible online, but you can compare the prices across many vendors and select that vendor where the price is cheap, who provides you a free installation, who provides you a free transportation, and who provides you a good brand with a good resolution, with a good area. So even buying goods have become very easy with internet. And one very important thing is that it has become a preferable mode. When I say preferable mode, it's not that there is no need for you to go, you don't need to spend money on transportation to go there, you don't need to burn the fuel of your vehicle, not all these things. Even if you are ready to do all those things, despite that, buying online is having many advantages when compared to buying offline. Personally, what I feel is that when I buy something online, I can return those goods in a specific amount of time. Time means maybe some 1 week or 2 weeks based on the website through which we are buying. The same is not possible if I go to a shop and I try to buy. So always it is preferable to use internet rather than making a physical transaction by going and visiting the particular shop. Now coming to sharing a moment with a friend. Yes, nowadays people are working at different places. There is no chance of sharing a moment just like earlier. Suppose your friend is residing in the same place nearby. Yes, you can meet and you can share the moments. You can spend some time in a restaurant or go to a film. Of course, you can share time together the way you want. But nowadays, your friends are spread across the globe. Somebody is working in US, somebody is working somewhere, and they are spread across the globe. So the only way to share a moment is through internet. You chat with your friend, you share your moments with your friends through Facebook, Instagram, Twitters. So in one way, what happened is now, people are forgetting that they are apart. They are feeling that they are nearer. Because when you make a video call, you feel like the person is with you. Of course, physical proximity is different, but that physical proximity has been reduced due to internet. Sending a picture or instant messaging. Earlier we used to go to shop, buy the greeting cards, put them in an envelope, and we used to speed post or send by ordinary post before sufficient time so that the friend receives. Sometimes the occasion is over, then the envelope reaches. Sometimes it reaches far before, but hardly it reaches the same day at the same time. But nowadays, if a person's birthday is today, we can wish them today. We can even wish them at night, midnight, sharp 12 o'clock, and make them surprise. We can even place order for cakes and other things. We can organize parties on their behalf. So a lot of things are possible due to internet. So before internet, the way we lived has become completely different the way we are living now. And what are the major advantages to the person who is indirectly involved? For example, due to the possibility of celebrating occasions through internet, now online shopping had also become very popular. You are placing order for a cake online. Otherwise, you may not be buying cake. If your friend is somewhere, you are just posting greeting in an envelope. But now it has become possible that you place order for a cake and you ask for its delivery at a specific time to him with a personalized message. So the power of internet is that it also created many employment opportunities, entrepreneurial opportunities, livelihoods to many, and all these things are so much useful that it reduced the gap between the people. Before the internet, if you wanted to keep up with the news, you had to walk down to the newsstand when it opened in the morning and buy a local edition reporting what had happened the previous day. But today, a click or two is enough to read your local paper and any news source from anywhere in the world updated to the minute. So the major difference is that to know about yesterday's news, you have to travel to a shop, buy the newspaper and read. But with internet, you can just know that few seconds back what had happened. So it's a complete change. But still there are many people who read the newspapers physically by buying the hard copies which are publishing news of yesterday. That tradition will continue maybe for some more years, when you will not be able to find any newspaper being published physically and being placed in shop for people to go and read them. So there is a drastic development, there is a drastic difference, and in fact it is nothing less than a revolution. Many years back, Microsoft chairman Bill Gates, at that time, he expected that there will be something which is going to come, which may be called an internet, and before its wave, no other wave can stand. And this is what we are seeing now. One important thing is that knowing what is possible to do due to internet is one thing, and the second is that finding new things that are possible due to internet is another thing. So try to be innovative, try to find new things that are possible due to internet, and try to implement some of the things. And internet was no longer concerned with information exchange alone. It's a sophisticated multidisciplinary tool enabling individuals to create content, communicate with one another, and even escape reality. Today, we can send data from one end of the world to the other in a matter of seconds, making online presentations, live in parallel game worlds, and use pictures, video, audio, and text to share our real lives, our genuine identity. Social media has changed our personal space completely, altering the way we interact with our loved ones, our friends, and our partners. They have forced us to rethink even basic daily processes like studying and shopping. They have affected the economy by nurturing the business startup culture and electronic commerce. They have even given us new ways to form broad-based political movements. When it comes to gaming, you know that there are millions and billions of games across the internet that can be played. And of course, not everything is free. To download a game and play, maybe you have to pay based on the game and the website. But most important thing is that we know sports and games where more than one person is involved. So even with internet, a person sitting in another country can play with a person sitting in another part of the globe. So here, something which is not possible physically is also becoming possible due to the network that is available due to internet. And even political movements, there are several web portals such as change.org, which are bringing movements, revolutions across the world. Earlier, you can't really communicate with thousands of people. Now you post a petition in change.org and it will be flashed to many people, and people can support by making appropriate submission on that portal, and which are being read by various governments and steps being taken. This is a complete revolution. Earlier, it is almost next to impossible to bring something to the fore in such a huge manner. Yes, it is possible by writing a letter or by going and speaking personally. Now people are not feeling like meeting personally for work purposes because everything is possible due to internet. And India's internet consumption is up during the COVID-19 lockdown. Of course, that should be the obvious case, and it must be the case with every country because that is the only medium that is available for us to communicate. The data from the Department of Telecommunications shows that between March 22nd and March 28th of 2020, Indians consumed an average of 3,07,963 terabytes of data, or of course equivalent is 307 petabytes of data. So this is a very big thing. The reason is, for example, let me say in a family there are 3 people or 4 people. So the person head of the family who goes to the works online. The children who are going to the school are attending classes online. Those children who are going to a college or a university are also working online. So the bandwidth requirements have increased tremendously, the number of devices have increased tremendously, and in fact, one has to wear the headphone or something to ensure that the other person is not disturbed. But the main thing is that the bandwidth consumption has increased tremendously. And it is also possible to earn money on internet using your entrepreneurial skills. And another thing is, with innovation also it is possible. For example, every one of you knows YouTube. So if you post something to YouTube, there are very good chances of you earning money, provided you have views as per the rules and regulations of the YouTube. Every year YouTube announces the people who earn money due to its YouTube portal. For example, in 2019, the 8-year-old remains YouTube's highest earner, and this 8-year-old has taken home $26 million. It is Ryan Kaji, the 8-year-old behind YouTube channel Ryan's World, remained the video platform's highest earner for a second year, ranking in $26 million in 2019 according to the Forbes annual list. So this particular 8-year-old Ryan Kaji earned $26 million due to their YouTube channel Ryan's World. And you need to understand that it is possible for you to set up a channel in the YouTube freely, and you don't need to spend any money initially. And in case you are able to put such content which is very useful to the others, then there are no need for you to get disappointed in case it is not going to a higher level, because it is 100% sure that your particular YouTube channel will attract many views, many comments, because the content is meaningful. And you should also ensure that it just doesn't address only a specific portions or categories of humanity, and it will be good if it can be uploaded to as many people as possible, because the number of viewers will increase exponentially if the content is right. And it is also possible that as a social media manager you do great things. Now when I said you can earn a lot using internet, YouTube is one way of earning, but one very important thing is that quality is very important, because it is all like a crowdsourcing, wherein it is the people who have to visit and like and make comments and repeatedly visit and refer friends to your website, that your views will increase with a positive ambience. So the first top 10 earners are listed every year by YouTube, and in 2019, Ryan Kaji, the 8-year-old, has become the top earner or highest earner, taking home $26 million in the year 2009. And we are just waiting for 2020. What's going to happen in 2020? Who is going to earn? The major thing is that it's not that who is going to earn. The most important thing is that what is that they have done that so many people are clinging to that portal. And I suggest you to go to the portal or Google and search for the top 10 earners on the website, then prepare the list of URLs of the portals which they developed or the YouTube videos which they posted, and also write a brief about the innovation of each and every person who is among the top 10 earners of the year 2019 on the YouTube. So here we have already spoke about one. There are 9 more, but the 9 more will be the similar, because it is all depends on the views and the quality, that you are ranked 1, 2, 3, something like that, up to 10 in the entire world, which is a very big honor that you are getting selected from millions and billions of posts every day. If you have some experience in running campaigns on social media platforms, you could sign up to help businesses promote their products through the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other social media. In the Facebook, it is also possible for you to create Facebook pages. So these pages can really work for small businesses, wherein you configure your website or web page for that particular business. And in fact, it is possible that you set up a new business using the Facebook, and it will provide you with all the facilities. And if Facebook is with you, it means that it is reaching nook and corners of the entire world. Of course, companies may also need help with managing comments, growing their community and improving their social selling efforts. As long as you are able to add your voice and creativity to posts by creating shareable videos or including hilarious gifs, you can start taking on clients today itself. It is also possible to learn online. Until now, we are going to schools, colleges. Of course, I am not saying that you will stop going to schools and colleges or universities, but now it has become possible you to learn online also. The major advantage is that you can experience the classes from people who are not your teachers at the school or the college or the university. And online tutoring or online education or e-learning or online learning have become buzzwords in this era. And there are top portals such as Swayam by the government of India, Coursera, EDX, and many more. And millions of people are pursuing courses from these portals, and they are fully satisfied that they are completing the entire module having multiple courses. So, are you an expert in maths, physics, or a foreign language? If so, then you can apply for online teaching jobs that require you to tutor students from across the world. Most employees and job portals require tutors to have a bachelor's degree, so make sure to have this particular area covered before you apply. Teaching qualification in ESL or any subject would further improve your chances of becoming an online tutor. So, one important thing which you need to do before this particular online learning or online teaching is that you need to provide or you need to find a good learning management system, and one of the top learning management systems is Moodle, which will run not only on PCs, laptops and tabs but also on the mobiles, because they have a mobile version of Moodle also, and it is also free and open source, so that you can use it very effectively and it gets a lot of support from across the world. Then personal trainer. Nowadays, let me say, it is very difficult to go and attend a gym due to the problem with the time availability and other works with which we are preoccupied. So, if you are a fitness enthusiast and have good knowledge of proper exercise techniques, then consider applying for online personal training. With online coaching, you can train anyone, anytime, anywhere, which gives you the opportunity to take on more clients. You can choose to train people via Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet. Then there are many such tools in both group as well as one-to-one meetings. We have virtual assistants. These virtual assistants will be assisting us online. Earlier, it is a person who is sitting and who will be chatting with you live 24/7. But now virtual assistants have come and they are very intelligent. They use artificial intelligence techniques and they respond to your queries in an official manner that you really do not know that the person who is answering your questions so much efficiently is not a real human being but a virtual assistant. Of course, you will get very much surprised to know that. So, these are called chatbots and they are terrific, and some of them are doing extremely well. So, if you are ever wondered if there are online jobs for someone with basic skills, then becoming a virtual assistant might be a very good option for you. You can make some great money by managing simple office tasks like taking calls and answering calls. The best thing about VA jobs is that you can work as little as much you can, which makes them ideal for busy people who may have limited availability because of other commitments. Then it is also possible to apply for jobs online. There is no need for you to apply through post, wait for the communication and all those things. Nowadays you can apply online. There are top job sites across the world and you can select whatever site you want to go by comparing them. Recruiters use it to only work in an office setting, but things have changed and you can now work as an online recruiter from home. Your main duties will include posting vacancies and looking for potential employees for your company. Some companies may also require you to conduct the initial phase phone interview, so you can screen applications in advance and pass only the best ones to the people. So, even applications for jobs can be edited, can be scrutinized before time, before being applied. because whatever shortcomings are there, you have experts online who can edit them, who can suggest you to fill the gap, and ample number of possibilities are feasible. And it is also a very big business for email marketers. So if you want to craft an email subject lines that people can't help but click, then if that is the case, you can contact businesses and make money online by managing yourself. So all these things are very much possible, and once you demonstrate that skill of enticing recipients, employers will rush to secure your service and give you a long-term contract. Major brownie points if you can help business grow to their email list. And it is also possible that you do freelance work. Freelance has become a norm of the day, because now you have a avenue called internet, and through internet you can sell whatever you want. You can write a book, you can place it for selling through Amazon or a Flipkart. So ample number of possibilities are present, and you don't need to rely on any private company or a public company for promoting your publication. And in case it is having the meet, the corresponding portal or a corresponding company or a corresponding online company such as an Amazon or a Flipkart will help you out and making your book available on trial basis for some pages to all the potential readers. So if you are a good writer, you can apply to write for blogs, magazines, journals, and even newspapers that publish their content online. Freelance writing is also one of those online jobs that pays well, because there is a big need for writers as more and more companies aim to provide quality content to their audiences. Besides excellent writing skills, you will need a passion for the particular niche you will be working in, like technology or fashion, for instance. You can also do the proofreading. For example, do you have a knack for the grammar? Can you spot errors? Is it possible to fix disjointed sentences on the fly? The role of a proofreader may be right up there, because as a proofreader, you will be expected to proof all types of content, including email copy, blog posts, business documents, and many. Basically, you will act as a second set of eyes for publishers and help them create content that looks more elegant and professional. You can become a music reviewer, or you can seek a music reviewer. And one of the most fun filled online jobs is getting paid to listen to your favorite music. There are companies that hire people to review tracks, test our short music samples, or rate new albums. Your feedback helps artists, record labels, and brands fine-tune their music before it's released to the masses. Dear listeners or viewers, this is a brief discussion on the new possibilities due to the internet. We'll be looking more in the upcoming sessions. In case you have any doubts or questions, please mail to pvsuresh@ignou.ac.in. Thank you very much.